In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Canva. Whether you're using Canva for designing or brainstorming, at some point it's essential to know how to securely log out when you're done. This step is key to ensuring your account's security and maintaining privacy, especially when using shared or public devices. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to canva.com using your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll want to look in the upper right corner of your screen. That's where the login button is located. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in using your credentials. You have the flexibility here to log in via Google, Facebook, or with an email address depending on what's most convenient for you. Now once you're logged in and you're on the Canva homepage, it's time to locate your account icon. This icon could either be your profile picture if you've uploaded one, or it might simply show your initials. You'll find this in the top corner of the homepage. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Carefully look through this menu and select the option that says Sign Out or Log Out. That will sign you out from the current device. Sometimes, however, you might find yourself in a situation where you've used your Canva account on multiple devices. In such cases, it's helpful to ensure you're signed out on all those devices to protect your account fully. To do this, start from the Canva homepage. Still near the top of the page, look for a small gear icon to open up your settings. Once in settings, you'll find a tab labeled Login and Security. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page specifically addressing your account's security options. Under the security section, there is a crucial feature you should be aware of: sign out from all devices. By selecting this, Canva will automatically log you out from any other devices where you might be logged in. This is particularly useful if you are using a shared computer or if you've just changed your password and want to make sure that only you have access. Before you're completely logged out everywhere, Canva will ask you to confirm this action. Make sure you're ready to proceed, as confirming this step will mean you'll need to log back in when you're ready to use Canva on any of your devices again. And that's it. Simple steps to secure your Canva account by logging out both locally and globally across all devices. Remember, regularly signing out and managing your login sessions can play an essential role in keeping your digital activities secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay secure and enjoy creating with Canva.